Hey you guys, it is a busy harvest day here in the kitchen, and I just wanted to show you some of the different projects that are going on so you can see all the things that are happening here in the kitchen during harvest season. This is the very real harvest kitchen in action. There is so much happening here. Let's see, we've got one sourdough bread. Look at the little squashes. They're so cute. Oh, that's parsnip seed that just came in from the garden. And a few extra green beans. Okay, that is the Parmesan cheese and a stirred curd cheddar, I think right there. I think that's a stirred curd. That might be another Parmesan. I can't remember what we did. I'll have to look at the notes. Oh, more sourdough. And a few more sourdoughs. Oh, and a big tub of bulk sourdough back there. Hi, Brianna. What are you doing over there?
Bagging cheese.
Bagging cheese. What kind of cheese? Mozzarella cheese. 6 gallons of milk into mozzarella cheese. All the shallots from the year are hanging up. What are you making, Rebecca?
Lemonade.
Making lemonade, okay. We've got green beans snapped and ready to go in, some peaches, tomatoes out of the garden, basket of all sorts of stuff in there, a few random Brussels sprouts, looks like a pepper too, some mushrooms, and some potatoes right out of the garden. Getting ready to go milk the cows for the day. Making, Lindsay?
Pesto.
Pesto. We're gonna have pesto grilled cheese sandwiches. Ooh, look at that. Cutting a homemade Parmesan for pesto. Oh, I'm excited about this. This one has not aged very long, so it is still pretty soft, but I bet you it's gonna be delicious. Ooh, something else going on here. What's this, Abigail?
Chev.
Chev. Your own goat cheese. This is the herb infused goat cheese.
Yep.
And what have you got going on there?
Raspberry leaves from the top of raspberry plants that I'm getting ready to hang.
Oh, the fresh growth on the raspberry plants that we are putting up for teas for the winter, huh?
Yep.
Bunch of them. Those look like good batches of the new growth on the raspberry plants here. We were going to trim those back anyway, so pulling those. They're not quite as good as the like spring raspberries for the nutrition value, but they are still pretty good. So let's see what we've got going on in the pot on the stove. Chicken bone broth. There's almost always a pot of chicken bone broth going on around here. We drink a lot of it. Of course, the sourdough starter is sitting in here. It's been getting a bit of use this week. We're expecting some cold weather, so we're kind of gearing up for a little bit more baking. There you go. So many fun things happening. Okay, so there you guys have it. So many fun things happening. so many projects happening. That's the way it is on the homestead during harvest season. It's like everything all at once. It's all a mess. It all feels a bit like chaotic almost, but that's just what happens when you've got so much produce coming in all at the same time and you're working hard to get it put up. So I hope you guys are having a productive and happy harvest season. Goodbye.